Desk setup ideas, boost productivity and ergonomics. Ergonomic comfort matters. Invest in an adjustable chair and proper desk height to ensure a healthy posture. Position your monitor at eye level to prevent neck strain. Optimal desk layout. Keep your desk organized with storage solutions and cable management. A clutter-free workspace enhances focus and productivity. Technology integration. Boost efficiency with tools like time tracking software, dual monitors, and docking stations. Streamline tasks with the right tech setup. Task lighting for focus. Use adjustable desk lamps to reduce eye strain and improve concentration. Proper lighting creates a comfortable work environment. Personalize your space. Design your workspace with colors, decor, and layouts that reflect your personality while promoting focus and inspiration. Budget-friendly upgrades. Repurpose household items for organization, buy second-hand furniture, and prioritize ergonomic essentials to save money on setup. Incorporate comfort items. Add cozy elements like a plush chair or soft lighting to make your workspace inviting and comfortable for extended hours. Regular maintenance. Clean and dust your desk weekly, reorganize for efficiency, and keep tech updated to maintain a functional workspace. Declutter for efficiency. Adopt a minimalist approach by keeping only essentials on your desk. A clean workspace fosters clarity and reduces distractions. Boost productivity with greenery. Add plants or motivational decor to create an inspiring and refreshing atmosphere that improves overall morale and focus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow us on social media platforms.